Hey guys, today we will know about this stand, that how to make this reel without any editing. If you are interested in this stand, keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, I'm Suman and you're watching me on Tech Talk with Suman Rawat. Now let's start the tutorial. So guys, to make this stand, first you have to check out my video description below where I have given reel link. When you open that link, you have to reach on this reel directly. And guys, here you can see users template feature of Instagram. So you have to click on this feature and you will get this interface. Here you can replace your own video clips. To replace your video clip or photos, click on the add media option and select your 22 video clips from your phone gallery. Okay, you have to select like this. After selecting, do next from right hand corner below. You have to wait for few minutes. Ready? Now guys, your video is ready. You can see your video preview and do next again from right hand corner. Now guys, you can use Insta feature from here like filter, sticker, text and music, and just click on the next again. Now write down your caption here and share your video as a reel.